Hi, it's Kathy from I Love to Be Selling. Kathy Keefe and I have put together this presentation to help you to learn how to add a link to an eBay listing. So first, what you need to understand is that starting June 1st of 2017, the links that are in your eBay descriptions are going to have a new requirement. And each clickable HTML link that you choose to use in your eBay listing will need to have a target attribute for the link to work properly. And this is a link to the page explaining all of this for you. So the question is, what is a target attribute? And very simply, it's where you want your link to open to, where you want the link to direct your shopper. And in this case, what you're going to want is it for open into a new tab or a new window. This is actually a really great advantage for you as an eBay seller because when your link is clicked in your listing, your original listing page will stay open. And what that means is that the shopper doesn't have to hit the back button or accidentally close the page. They can very easily get back to the item they were first looking at. So I'm going to go through this step by step. You can absolutely look at this and pause it, the video, as you're working on this. Also, this entire video is going to be in a PDF. And just look down below in comments and you'll be able to click and download the PDF and use that too. So first thing you want to do is you want to open your listing and you want to go to revise, and then you're going to scroll down and get to the description part, and then click on the HTML view tab and then scroll to the bottom of the HTML. Once you're at the bottom of the HTML, type in bracket BR bracket. That's a line break. And what a line break does, it puts the link on a new line. And then you're going to type in bracket A space href equals quotation mark. Got it right down here. Okay, so here we are. See this? Bracket BR bracket A space href equals quotation mark. You can type that in at the bottom of your HTML. Now you get to copy and paste your link. So you're going to go to the category, the store page, the item, or the search that you're going to want to link to. You're going to copy that. So copy that URL link from the top address bar. Then I'm going to show that to you on the next page. Then you're going to come back to your listing and you're going to paste the URL after the bracket A space href equals quotation mark. Then you're going to finish the link with target equals quotation mark underscore blank quotation mark bracket. Click here to see my link or whatever you want to say about the link, and then bracket backslash A bracket. And let me show you what I'm talking about. So I've decided that we want to search for the category of handbags and luggage. That's where I want to send my shoppers. I go to that page in my eBay store. This is the address up here in the address bar, which is at the top of your search. I'm going to copy and paste this address out of the address bar. Then I'm going to come back to my listing and I'm going to paste that URL. I'm going to paste the address out of the address bar after the bracket A space href equals quotation mark. Then I'm going to finish the link. So after the link that I just copy and paste, I'm going to put in target equals quotation mark underscore blank quotation mark bracket, and then whatever I want to say about my link, click here to see my mugs, come shop my dresses, look at my blue plates, whatever I want to say, and then bracket backslash A bracket. And let me just explain to you what I'm showing you about. So here's the bracket, BR bracket, remember that gives me a new line, A href equals quotation mark. Here's the link, 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 link. Link is over, and I've added target equals quotation mark underscore blank quotation mark bracket what I want to say about the link, which is click here to see my mugs, and then bracket backslash A bracket. Okay, so if everything goes great, you know, you just click confirm and it's done. If you look at it, if you go back and look at your listing and you see something wonky going on, a lot of times is you forgot your quotation mark in your code. So always, always, always go back and look closely if something's looking wonky. And right here is showing in here, see with the target, you were missing the quotation mark. Okay, the red arrow shows where it was. There was, sometimes you have a missed opening with the brackets. So always go back here and look at this target, see if you got that right, and with the A href. So just always double check and make sure everything's good. You want to have more than one window open. It's going to help you. So just know up here in your address bars, you can click the tabs to the right and open up more windows, because it's going to be a lot easier for you to have a window open that is your listing and a window open that is the category or the search that you want. So you just flip back and forth between your tabs. Okay? Want to make it easy for you. Now, for some people, it's going to be easy to get all your links ahead of time and save them. So you're going to create your links and you can put that into a notepad or a document in Evernote or Google Keep, whatever kind of online notebook that you use. You could save it in a Google Doc or a Word doc. So if it's easier for you to have them all ahead of time and create them and save them, do it that way. Or if you want to go through and do it one at a time, do it that way. Every link is coded the same way. It doesn't matter what you're linking to, if it's an item, a category, a storefront, or a keyword. So the format is always the same. It's the URL that you're pasting into, the address that you're pasting into is what changes, okay? So format, always the same. It's the address that changes that you're sending them. If you've got several items that all need the same link, like let's say coffee mugs, I'm sending all the coffee mugs to other coffee mugs. Once you've created the correct link, hey, look at my other coffee mugs, don't forget that you can use bulk edit and you can add it to all the related listings at the bottom. But don't forget, when you're editing, you want to be using the HTML tab when you're adding the HTML, okay? You can customize the click here text. So, look at my other mugs, look at my other plates, whatever's good for you. Okay, so that part of the text you can customize. As you do this more, it's going to be easier and easier and easier for you, and you'll be faster and faster. And practice really does make perfect. Any questions, just comment below or jump on into eBay Stores, Nothing But eBay Stores, or eBay Selling Basics, Nothing But eBay Selling Basics. And Kathy Kiefer will be very glad to help you. And those are our tips to help you to make clickable HTML links that comply with eBay's new policy going into effect June 1st, 2017. Bye-bye.